Welcome to the best picks. The best Weed Wacker Attachments is probably one of the most versatile tools in your landscaping arsenal. These attachments can transform your string trimmer into a multifunctional machine, capable of tackling everything from edging lawns to clearing thick brush. In this video, we'll explore the top Weed Wacker attachments, helping you choose the perfect one for your needs. Number 5. Weed Warrior Push and Load Nylon Replacement Blades. When regular trimmer line doesn't cut it, these durable and flexible nylon replacement blades are the solution. They are designed for the push and load 3-blade trimmer head, making changing out blades quick and easy. These high-quality nylon replacement blades will get you back to peak performance. They are built to withstand tough jobs and yard work. These replacement blades are compatible with push and load 3-blade, PivoTrim hybrid and ugly head hybrid 2-in-1 weed trimmer heads. Explore our selection of universal fit replacement heads, blades, lines and parts for your Weed Wacker. Find the right replacement parts for your trimmer or Weed Wacker. These blades are built to the high standards and demanding needs of professional landscapers. Weed Warrior manufactures high-quality universal fit Weed Wacker trimmer line, heads, and accessories. The products are built for extreme toughness through years of detailed research and development. What we like. These nylon blades are built to last, ensuring you can tackle tough jobs with ease. Changing them is a breeze, saving you valuable time and effort. If you have a push and load head and need reliable performance, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Works great and comes with all the hardware for pretty much any trimmer. Super easy to install. I have a Stihl FS240 brush cutter. I really like this brush cutter head. I have a lot of light brush, including some small alders and willows, to cut around my house with many rocks and large pieces of wood hidden in the brush. I have used it for at least 10 to 12 hours, and have cut a large amount of the brush. This has really worked well. I have only had to replace one of the cutter blades after striking a large tree. The blade was very easy to change. Bought it for my 20V DeWalt trimmer, the older non-folding one. Once you find the proper nut in the kit for it, you're pretty much done. It installs in seconds, no tools needed. The initial performance is excellent, it still has lots of power for trimming with the new head. The overall head size is smaller and the blades appear shorter, but because of that it has more cutting force than the original head did. Cuts better now than it ever did before. Number 4. MaxPower PivoTrim Universal Replacement Head. Introducing the MaxPower PivoTrim, a universal replacement head. This is designed to fit most trimmer models, making it a versatile choice for your yard work. This replacement head accepts both .080 and .095 diameter line. It's built to handle different line sizes, giving you flexibility. The PivoTrim features 6 pivoting lines, which helps to prevent breakage. This design ensures a clean cut every time, making your trimming tasks easier. It's quick and easy to install and use. You'll be able to get back to work in no time with this convenient replacement head. The package includes premium pre-cut trimmer line. This means you can start using it right away, saving you time and effort. Made with durable metal, this replacement head is built to last. It's a reliable tool that will withstand regular use in your yard. What we like. This head offers a universal fit, making it compatible with a wide range of trimmers. The pivoting lines prevent breakage, ensuring a longer lifespan. If you're looking for a versatile and user-friendly trimmer head, this one is a great option. What people say. It works great. If you've got a regular bump or auto head, my recommendation becomes even stronger. Easy to install, works well, and lightweight. Number 3. Brush cutter blades with universal adapter kit. This kit includes 2 premium stainless steel trimmer blades and a universal adapter. It's designed to fit most gas or electric trimmers with straight shafts. This will make your yard work much easier. The adapter kit is compatible with various brands like Husqvarna, Stihl, Ego, Oregon, and Hitachi. It's designed to fit trimmers with specific arbor sizes. Always check your model before purchasing to ensure a perfect fit. These blades make cutting and pruning effortless. You won't need to apply a lot of pressure, unlike other brands. The blades are approved by mechanics and are designed to cut through thick weeds and brush. Made with fine-grade, heat, and rust-resistant stainless steel, this blade set guarantees increased lifespan. This aftermarket product meets or exceeds OEM performance based on internal testing. Always wear appropriate safety gear, including boots or ankle-high shoes, jeans, and safety glasses. Be cautious of flying debris during operation. If you have any issues, contact customer service for assistance. What we like. This blade set cuts through thick weeds and brush like butter. The included adapter kit ensures a wide compatibility. If you are looking for a heavy-duty solution for tackling overgrown areas, this is the one for you. What people say. Rips through small trees easily. Much better than the smaller brush blade I bought from steel dealer. Great, good light brush cutter on my Ego, and my gas Weed Wacker. Very sharp and did not disappoint. Number 2. Triclone Metal Blade Trimmer Head. Tired of string trimmers that can't handle the tough stuff? This metal blade trimmer head is designed for durability and efficiency. It cuts through thick grass, bushes, and even small trees. The high-strength steel blades are built to last. They won't chip or break, and you don't even need to sharpen them with proper use. This means less hassle and more work done. This trimmer head is compatible with many straight shaft trimmers. It works with brands like Stihl, Husqvarna, and Ryobi, among others. Please check the details to ensure it fits your model. Installing this trimmer head is simple. Just secure it to your trimmer's drive shaft with the included nuts. It's lightweight and designed for easy, controlled operation. The package includes the trimmer head with metal blades, along with the necessary nuts and washers for installation. Get ready to experience a new level of trimming power. What we like. This trimmer head features a durable metal blade, perfect for tackling tough jobs. It can cut through bushes and small trees up to 3 inches in diameter. If you like a more robust cutting solution that can handle a variety of vegetation, this is a great choice. What people say. This head easily attached to my Greenworks 60V Pro trimmer. This head does a fantastic job of cutting anything from grass to 1-2 diameter brush saplings. The trimmer head cuts through grass and high weeds smoothly and cleanly. It is so much faster than a plastic line. Tall weeds did not wrap around the head. I installed this head onto a Milwaukee cordless string trimmer. Cuts well, on El Toro zoysia grass. I'm able to do all my trimming in a more efficient, timely manner now. Number 1. Wired trimmer blade for weed eater. This wired trimmer blade fits most straight shaft trimmers with a 1-inch gear case. It's compatible with brands like Stihl, Husqvarna, and Oregon. This makes it a versatile choice for various trimmers. Equipped with twisted steel wire, this trimmer head tackles both quick and tough jobs. It's perfect for gardening, lawn mowing, and even removing moss and rust. It's designed to handle a variety of tasks. Choose from 2 sizes to suit your needs. The 6-inch head is ideal for tight spaces, while the 8-inch head covers larger areas. The included attachments make it easy to get the job done. Installing this trimmer head is straightforward. Just arrange the parts in the correct order and tighten them. It's a quick process to get your trimmer ready to go. Made from stainless steel, this rotary steel wire brush cutter is built to last. Its hardness and durability ensure it will serve you well with regular cleaning and care. This product is made to last. What we like. This wired trimmer blade is designed for both quick and tough jobs. It's easy to install and comes with a wide range of applications. If you are looking for a versatile and durable option for various trimming tasks, you should consider this. What people say. These wire wheels meant to be mounted on the end of trimmer have a wide variety of uses, from cleaning the concrete grooves, cracks, etc. to removing scale and rust from ferrous metals or paint removal if you chose to do so. These are great, work just perfectly. My bad, have a brand Weed Wacker that is not listed to work with this, but with a little jerry-rigging got the wire trimmer mounted and it works great cutting through thick weeds and zoysia clumps. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.